Hey, good morning. This is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We just got done finishing up a gutter clean here in Janesville, Wisconsin. If you take a look at me, behind me here, we got this two-story house full of gutters, debris. Winter is on its way. Fully important to get all the debris out of here. At this time of year, when everything's wet and nasty, we like to use a high-volume washer, about 9 gallons a minute to flush out all the gutters. And the downspout's really nice, super efficient. So while we're here, we do our best to do a full roof and gutter inspection. This house needs a new roof, needs new gutters, but I think they're just trying to. All the chimney needs some new work as well. So when you hire Multi-Man Services, we live and breathe off for referrals. So thank you so much for telling your friends, family, and neighbors about us. We really appreciate that. And we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for happy clients like you. So please, share this video with people you may know in the area that need gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, soft wash siding cleaning, and any other power washing needs you may have. We also do handyman home repair services in the winter. I look forward to working with you again in the future. Have a great day.